Good day. If you're new here, I'm Carl. This is Studio In Car. This is Simon's 992 GTS. It's a bit of me, this lovely bit of kit. This has a stage 2 active. So this is a 3-way Audison Voce set and an AF M8.14 and DSP amplifier, high level integration, and that is it. It's got our standard deadening package in the doors, which come with all of our 911 packages. But this could be a relatively simple, quick video. Look at what we've done, have a quick listen, whatever. But it dawned on me while we were doing this job, so this is one of Jamie's projects, that we had a completely seamless time with it. Okay, so we've developed a couple of things lately. As and when we get new platforms through, we're always sort of developing, because we want to create systems that effectively bolt in as standard. They don't really interfere with the car too much. One thing we designed particularly for this one was a new mount. This is a prototype, hence the writing, and it's a lower definition sort of print. But this is to mount a larger DSP amplifier in the OEM location in the 911 for 992 onwards. And this gets things like the Taycan and things like that. Okay, that's for Bose cars, Burmester cars, base level cars like this that didn't have an amplifier. We have that location and we can use those OEM fixing points. We even manufacture our own fixings to bolt these things down. So these little dinky boys, and there's a couple of different ones for a couple of different scenarios that we use, because, and I think that's why this video is kind of going along this path, because I just realized with this one, we're at a point now where we've evolved our sort of designs and manufactured parts for 911s and Taycans and things like that, Cayennes, everything really in the Porsche family. And I think that's why this video has taken this path. I'm quite proud of how we've managed to design and effectively manufacture parts for specific cars and specific sort of Porsche family cars, but all cars really, and how seamless we've made our work on that product, and it works really well as well. It's really nice when something just bolts in and fits, and that it has space around it, it has sort of room to breathe, especially when it's an amp and it gets warm, yeah. Anyway, so I'll stop gushing about it. All right, I'm just really happy with how our designs fit in the in the models that we work on. It's not something that we supply to the public. It is something that we have exclusively for our systems to be supplied and fitted here. And this one has it. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different products that we've designed that help adapt a more modern, much higher energy system into the 911 without causing any snags at all. This car is now much more impactful, loads more volume, which is a big complaint for base level cars. So the base system, so no Bose, no Burmester, plenty more volume, so he can wind on it if he wants when you just want that bit more fun. No sub in this one, so it's not something we do very often. It's just the 3-way set with no sub option. I don't know if we'll see Simon again at a different point, possibly, we'll see. But for now, like I say, it sounds fantastic. It sounds so much more accurate than it did, loads more energy, and just loads more space around the sound. If you're into sound, you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's a much more higher resolution picture, if it were, in here. So yeah, really good one. This one goes home today. I wanted to capture it because it's a cool car, but I also wanted to explain to you how I'm feeling about our Porsche work and our sort of our 911 work specifically, and the development which we do, and how gentle it is on the car. So yeah, these things kind of don't get spoken about because they're just part of our packages. We're just constantly working to make things better, and we don't really ever bring them up. You might see them in videos and things like that, but they're the unsung heroes, I suppose, of what make our job right up at the top. All right, This is Simon's 992. I'm Carl. This is Studio In Car. I'm off. See you later.